I've got this cool idea I'm going to work on today. I was up at the gardener's market recently and bought some new bamboo. I picked up this design idea off a video I was watching. It was more about a concept about the bamboo actually, and I just thought of a cool way that I can implement this by making a little bamboo room in our back garden. The idea is to plant the bamboo in a circle with an entranceway to form a little room outdoors. This is a really typical pattern of design for the New Zealand Maori, and in New Zealand we call it a koru, so I'm introducing a little bit more Kiwi into my garden here. I've got some of this nice thin sort of pencil-like bamboo here that the lovely chap at the garden market told me would only grow about 2.5 meters, which I think is pretty perfect for what I want it for. And then I've mapped out an area on the ground here, a circle of about 2 meters, and then with an entranceway that will shield the center of the room from view from the outside. And if you're sitting in the middle of the room, it'll make it quite private and quite peaceful. When you're sitting in amongst bamboo, it's a lot cooler and it acts as a natural air conditioner. And so I was watching the video of the guy at the bamboo farm in the States talk about it. He was talking about how peaceful it is to be amongst the bamboo, and that particularly really sensitive people will notice it when they come into a clump of bamboo because it all resonates with the same vibration. It gives off this really lovely peaceful vibe. So I thought it'd be a perfect location, a perfect situation to construct a little prayer room or a meditation room, if you like, for people to come and enjoy when they come and stay here, or for us to enjoy it ourselves too. I've made a bit of a mixture of compost and some soil and some worm castings to give these guys a bit of a kickstart, because the soil down in this part of the garden's pretty rubbish. Lots of rocks, lots of clay, so bamboo grows pretty well in virtually any sort of a soil, but I figured I'll give it a kickstart, a good head start, and then I will divide these bags into about 3. There's plenty of crumbs in there, so I'll divide those up into 3 pieces, and then I can plant out 6 in the holes that I've dug, and then sometime in the near future I'll go back and purchase some more. I bought these up at the garden market for 100 baht each. That's about $3.50 US a bag. So it's pretty good value. Now that I've got those in the ground, I've got a better idea of how many more I'll need. So I'll go back to the market. I think I'll buy 4 more. That then I can divide into 12 pieces. And that should help me complete the circle and build the little entranceway as it winds into the koru. And when I go up to the garden market, I think I'll take my camera with me and make a little video about the bamboo shop, because it's pretty cool. So stay tuned for that, and check out the link in the description below. I'll hunt out that other video about the guy that was talking about the bamboo and the vibration and the peacefulness that it helps to provide people when they're in amongst the bamboo. So do check that out, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, and if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date when I release new videos.